everyone, welcome back to the Know Your B School series. And today with this video, we are going to discuss about one more management college, that is about the IIBS, International Institute of Business Studies, Bangalore. So this college was established in the year 2008 and it is one of the top business school in the category of management. Here if we consider about the overall accreditations and approvals with the IIBS, then IIBS is the UGC recognized institute. So UGC ensures the quality of the education, infrastructure and faculty of that particular institute. So while taking the admission in any institute, this is the one approval which we need to check. Then IIBS also has the AIU approval. This approval makes your PGDM program equivalent to the MBA. In Bangalore, we have very few institutes which has the AIU approval, and International Institute of Business Studies is one of those institutes which has the AIU approval. IIBS has the NBA accreditation which shows the excellence of the institute in technical education. It is the AICTE approved institute and also affiliated to the Bangalore City University. IIBS is NAAC accredited institutes. So NAAC approval is important for the institutions who are providing the higher education. It ensures the quality and promotes the continuous improvement. So it offers you the MBA and PGDM program. Your MBA program will be affiliated to Bangalore University, and as this institute has the AICTE approval, it offers you the PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Management program, which is a 2 years program. So as this institute has all these approvals, your degree is going to be valid through the IIBS Bangalore. So it offers you the MBA and PGDM in the various specializations. Like if we consider the specializations for the MBA program, then those are marketing, finance, human resource management, business analytics, production and operations management, entrepreneurship and startups. So these are all the specializations which are available for the Masters of Business Administration program. Now if we consider the specializations available for your 2 years postgraduate diploma in management, then those are data science, finance management, marketing management, human resource management, business analytics, production and operations management, entrepreneurship and startups, supply chain management, agribusiness management, international business, healthcare management, hospitality management, information technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning, global finance, pharmaceutical management, hospitality and healthcare management. Along with the MBA and PGDM program, IIBS Bangalore offers the 86 certification courses. So this is the list of these certification courses. These are also available with the IIBS Bangalore. Now coming to the overall ranking with the IIBS, then IIBS has achieved the most remarkable institute in the Bangalore for the year 2024 according to the Education View India. Then according to the Academic Insight survey for the last 2 consecutive years, IIBS has been ranked among the top 50 non-IIMS MBA colleges in the India and top 20 non-IIMS MBA colleges from the Karnataka. Then IIBS Bangalore has also achieved the College of the Year and Top Prominent Business School Award in the year 2022 by the Higher Education Review. Then it is ranked as 14th number of Best Institute in the category of Management according to the Campus Option Annual Business Survey. Then it is also ranked as 4th number of Best Institute in the category of Placement according to the Silicon India 2019 report. So this is all about the overall rankings with the IIBS. Now coming to the overall admission process and the eligibility criteria. So for the batch of 2025-2027, the admissions are going on. Here if we consider about the overall eligibility criteria, then the candidates must have completed their graduation with minimum of 50% marks. And there is 5% relaxation is given for the reserve category candidates. Here final year students are also eligible to apply for this college. So IIBS Bangalore accepts the score of the MBA entrance examinations like CAT, XAT, CMAT, then NMAT, ATMA. So on the basis of the score you have obtained in your MBA entrance examinations, the students will receive the shortlist mail for the group discussion and personal interview round. Then the composite score is calculated. In that your work experience is also considered, then your group discussion and personal interview score is also considered. On the basis of all this, one score is calculated which is the composite score, and then the finally selected list of candidates is done. So here for the admission process with the IIBS Bangalore, you can visit their website and you need to apply separately. So here 50% seats are reserved for the girl candidates also. So this is all about the overall admission process. Now coming to the overall infrastructure with the IIBS. IIBS Bangalore offers a modern campus equipped with facilities designed to enhance both academic and personal development. IIBS Bangalore is situated near International Airport in Bangalore. It offers the best facilities for their students, then spacious and equipped with modern technology including smart classrooms, a well-stocked library housing over 12,000 national and international journals, periodicals and reference materials. The library also offers digital resources for students, then state-of-the-art computing centers with high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity to support academic activities. Computer labs are over there. A modern auditorium equipped with advanced technology to host conferences, seminars and cultural events. Cafeteria, then sports facilities and medical facilities are also over there in the campus. All these facilities are available in the campus. Here if we consider about the overall fee structure for the 2 years of management program with the IRBS, then it is nearly up to 9.45 lakhs. Now coming to the overall faculty, so IRBS has a wide array of faculty and most of the faculty members have the work experience which is more than 5 years. Here 30 plus international visiting faculty is also over there, and the best part about IRBS is about the teaching methodology. Here 15% focus is given on the theoretical knowledge and 85% weightage is given on the practical and industrial knowledge, and this is the best part which is needed while working in the corporate sector. 16 plus industrial visits are also over there in your 2 years of program. IRBS provides international tours for the candidates in the various countries like Italy, Switzerland, Singapore, Dubai and Malaysia. IRBS also offers a scholarship for the students on the basis of their academic performance. Like if you have the percentage ranging in between 60 to 65% in class 10th, 12th and graduation, the scholarship amount for those students is 50,000. If your percentage ranging in between 65 to 70%, for that the scholarship amount is 60,000. If your percentage ranging in between 70 to 75%, for that the scholarship amount is 70,000. Then the students who have the percentage ranging in between 75 to 80% in their class 10th, 12th and graduation will be awarded with the scholarship of rupees 80,000 rupees. Then the students who have the percentage ranging in between 80 to 85% are eligible for the scholarship amount of rupees 90,000. Then the students who has the percentage which is more than 85% are eligible for the scholarship amount of rupees 1 lakh. IRBS also offers the scholarship on the basis of the range of percentile or marks you have in your MBA entrance examination. Like for example, if you have 85 percentile or more than that in your CAT 2024, ZAT 2025, GMAT and IIB-SAT for the year 2024-2025, and if you have the composite score of 750 or above in the MAT and ATMA, and if you have 95 percentile or more than that in the CMAT 2025 MBA entrance examination, you will be eligible for the scholarship amount of rupees 80,000. And in the similar way, you can check the scholarship amount according to the range of marks you have in your MBA entrance examination. Apart from this, there are separate scholarships available for the girl students. Like if the girl candidate has more than 55% in the graduation, for that there is 40,000 scholarship is available. Then all the girl students will get an additional scholarship of rupees 20,000 by the Dr. Jai Foundation apart from all the above scholarships. Then there is the IRBS Special Scholarship for Wards of Defense and CRPF personnel. Then IRBS Scholarship for Achievers or Outstanding All-Round Performance in Diverse Field for the year 2025-2027 is also available. Like for example, state level, board level or national level top rank holder in academics will get the 10% exemption in the tuition fees. Then there is a sibling scholarship is also available. The amount of this scholarship is nearly up to 10,000. So student would be eligible for one of the best option out of the 6 criteria after verification. So these are all the scholarships available with the IRBS Bangalore. Then the education loan facility and the student credit card scheme is also available with the IRBS Bangalore to support the students financially. Now when it comes to choosing an MBA college, one of the most important thing we need to consider is about the placement. So here if we consider about the IRBS record 100% placement according to the last year final placement report with the IRBS. So here if we consider the higher salary package offered for the PGDM program with the IRBS, it is nearly up to 48 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered was nearly up to 9.15 lakhs per annum. If we consider it for the MBA program, then the highest salary package offered was 47 lakhs per annum and the average salary package offered was 8.70 lakhs per annum. There are more than 3,000 plus companies visited in the campus for the placement, and the alumni network of IRBS is also strong. Out of 8,000 plus alumni, 20% are working across the world. So IRBS is one of the good business school we can consider in category of return on investment also, because with the investment of 9.15 lakhs, you have the opportunity, you can earn the minimum salary of 10 lakhs with the maximum salary of 48 lakhs per annum for the MBA and PGDM program. One more engaging part about IRBS is it partners with the Bloomberg, the global leader in financial data, analytics and market intelligence for cutting edge financial education. So here coming to the key benefits for the IRBS students with this partnership. So here you have the access to Bloomberg terminals for real-time financial data, analytics and global market insights. Industry recognized certifications from Bloomberg enhancing career prospects in finance, investment banking, risk management and analytics. Live market simulations and hands-on training, bridging the gap between classroom learning and real-world financial decision making. Then enhanced placement opportunities with global financial firms seeking candidates with Bloomberg expertise. With this Bloomberg partnership, IRBS reinforces its commitment to providing future-ready business education, ensuring that all the students graduate with a competitive edge in the financial sector. So this is one of the best institute one can consider for the management program with all aspects. And if you want more information regarding with the IRBS Bangalore, you can visit the website also. And in this, if you have any doubts, any queries in this, you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.